All right. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about problem solving and heuristics. I wanted to show you some things I found on the internet that you might find funny. So I think I've shown this before, but there's somebody put a tweet saying we thought it was our ability to love that made us human, but it turns out it's actually our ability to select each image containing a boat, right? It's kind of funny. Um, this one is interesting. I don't know if anybody's aware of this, but it's called the dead internet theory in action, which is the idea that we're just going to be dealing with content that's generated by bots or AI generated. And so there's going to be no original content on the internet. And here's an example, right? This lady, Flo, she has a place in France, and there's this crazy old lady as a neighbor who keeps sending her nasty emails. So she set up an AI agent to respond to her diplomatically. And they've exchanged tens of emails by now, and that their relationship is improving. But the funny thing is that the neighbor has no idea that she's talking to an AI agent. Okay. And then here's the last one I'll show. ChatGPT. If you tell ChatGPT, or at least this person, they said, create a picture of no pink elephants, right? And what happens is the ChatGPT comes up with an image that incorporates pink elephants in it. So just because the fact that you said no pink elephants, the ChatGPT system is likely to incorporate that information in it, and which is sort of a callback to previous study in which people were told don't think about pink elephants, and then what happened was that because you told them not to think about pink elephants, they thought about pink elephants. Okay, anyways, hopefully that was relatively mildly amusing. So today we're going to be talking about problem solving. And so I'm first going to introduce the idea of the search space approach to problem solving and some of its limitations. Then I'll discuss some uncomputable problems in perception, language acquisition, and comprehension. And then I'll present some heuristics for quote unquote solving these problems. I put solving in quotes because there is no unique solution for many of these problems, and we have to sort of approximate some reasonable answer or solution. And then I'll discuss the problem of restructuring in problem solving and perception. In the next video, we'll talk about the search space model.